The official handing over of the waste collection trucks by the Khasi's Autonomous District Council had taken place today, the 26th of August 2023, at Maw-Arling Football Ground at Umpling, Shillong, where the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi's Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, graced the event as chief guest in the presence of the Executive Member of the Council, Carnes Sohshang, as guest of honor, besides other executive members of the KHADC and others. The vehicles were purchased under the KHADC's Tied Grant of the 15th Finance Commission.
Chẳng nọ thì